In this video, we'll show you how to add and deactivate users from group accounts. From the main page, go to the Settings menu and select Users. You can see here we have a group size of 4. To add an additional user, I first have to make room by deactivating one of the current members.
Select Edit to edit a user.
Scroll down on the user profile and uncheck the Is Active button. Then select Update User. Once back on the user screen, select New. On the new user screen, enter the user's info. Please note all fields are mandatory. If the new user is going to be an admin on the account, select Is Organization Admin. Then click Create User. On the user screen, you can see that there are still 4 user accounts, and we have not lost access to the sentences under this user.